everyone, my name is Gary Fong, and for today's episode I'm going to show you how to assemble a hydroponic kit. This is due to high interest in the subject matter and people would like to grow homegrown veggies at home using hydroponic. Are you interested? Let's go. For the hydroponic kit, you will have all this material that came with it. This is the metal form, section A, and section B are all the pipes, and section C will be the pump, the nutrient, and the container. Okay, first we'll start with the structure. We've got these two square form. You put the whole here together. This is the first structure done, so I need to make the second one to create the A form. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, now I've assembled two of them, this A form, and I'm going to put the structure, the bracket to hold the structure so that it's solid. Okay, let's start with that. This cross bracket goes on the left side of this form and on the left side of this form. And this protruding metal is from the outside in, okay? Because this way you're going to put the pipes. These two metal brackets are for the sides of the metal structure to make it more stable. Okay, it is complete. I've attached the cross bracket to hold it steady on the front. I've got the back bracket and I've got the side bracket, and now it's very solid. It's very solid. Okay, now I've done metal frame. I'm going to put the pipes in place. This pipe comes with a connector where you put the elbow in place and just do one side here, and it goes the other side here. Okay, then you connect here. Okay. For the drainage, you can see the structure. This one, the water goes in, goes this way, and it goes down that way, this way, this way, and then this one goes to the tank. Okay, this third part is about the tank. Okay, container, you have a pump, you pump the water up. This comes provided for the kit because this nutrient for the veggies. This is the pipe that pumps water up, and these are the net pots for the unit. Okay, I'm going to assemble now. Okay, this pipe to pump the water up, you join with a valve like this, and this you can control the flow of water, and you plug it in straight like this into the pump. Okay, this pump, you need some elbows to connect the water. Actually, it goes like this, so that the water will go down this way, and it will come out this way. I'll turn this one here. So the water nozzle will come back this way, and that's a complete cycle. Okay. Okay, now the container is full of water. Now I just turn on the switch for the pump, and it's on. If you want to see the water running, I'm going to show you. Okay, water is running. This water running, but it's a bit fast, so I'm going to turn it down volume by doing this. Just the water. There should be enough flow for water to fill. Okay, the last part of this video would be to include little net pots to put the plants in. You have to check out my germination series in my HydroFresh channel. Okay, I'll show you. This is now the complete setup for the 4-pipe unit of hydroponic. And don't forget the nutrient, and we will explain this more in detail in the description below. Okay, I will see you on the next part of the addition if you want to add 4 more pipes to the structure. From the basic structure of 4 pipes, you can actually upgrade to another 4 here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the rest. Okay, now I've upgraded the 4 pipes to 8 pipe units, and you can see the structure being in place, but there are some small differences. Like here, the end bed I have to adjust to 2 heads going in, one from this side, one on the other side. and this one going down that way, and also the 2 screws which is replaced now with this extended screws. Okay, right. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are interested in having your own home hydroponic kit, please contact me in the description below, and I will hope to see you next time. Bye.